Hey, what's up, D Squad?
Welcome back to the channel. So we're here bringing you another epic one.
We're taking one of Adrian's bucket list items today. We're going to Floyd's Pelican Bar.
So in this one, we will be meeting the big man behind this project, Floyd himself. Alright, we'll be doing a brief interview with him. We'll be showing you around the Pelican Bar. We'll be telling you about how he started his whole journey. Alright?
From legend to money.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna show you everything. This one gonna be epic. All right? Yep.
Yeah.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family, the Delphi family, the Delphi family, the Delphi family, the Delphi family.
Yeah, we are on the boat ride. Carrie was hanging on for dear life. Jaden was like, I'm not too sure about this. But it was a pretty good ride over. We contacted Floyd himself and we got transport through him. But there are other persons along the way that were offering the same service. When we entered, we quickly realized that it was all wood and lumber that made this bar. It was made from wooden posts that were driven basically into the sand, and on top we have lumber. And everybody carved their names. So everybody left their names, left a message all over the bar. It's a wonderful little chill spot. You can get food to eat, authentic Jamaican seafood, chicken, you know, get your good food, get your belly full. There's also a bar area where you can get drinks.
Alright, so we just want to get a small reason about this Pelican Bar thing here, you know?
Yeah.
It's a fascinating attraction, this.
Yes, sir.
So, how did this come about?
It come about in year 2000 when I built it for my personal hangout.
Yeah?
I used to live here, and then after 2 years there was a guy by the name of Speck. He used to take guests from Jake's in Chesapeake to the Swaby Crocodile, so I always go back and forth. So he was the guy who stopped by and said it's a nice place to turn into a bar.
Yes.
And if it become a bar, when he's passing guests, he would stop by.
Okay.
And I just bring over some drinks, and the rest is just like history. You know?
Wow. Okay. Okay. And what's your name, by the way, first off?
Flight.
You are Flight.
You are Flight.
Flight's Pelican Bar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, man, good to meet you, Flight.
And a brother, bless
Yeah, man.
Yes, I'm waiting for this. Yes,
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Good energy, you know.
Yes,
Bless you.
yes.
And you don't know, one of a lifetime experience is a sight to visit before we all die.
Yeah.
So everyone try to turn out as much as they can.
Yeah, if I ever one time in a life.
If I'm one time in life. But
It's quite an experience coming out here.
It's quite an experience, man. To know that you're going across to a natural thing, or just enjoy the moment and the environment. Be a warm welcome. No pay to enter. Just come over and build your own vibes and for your own energy. You don't being abused nor raped by anybody for nothing. I just you do what you want to do here.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I just say you used to hang out here. It's like it's a sandbar as they call it. So it's shallow. The sand make it shallow. How did you construct it?
Everything that's natural. It's natural. Would pick the point, put it in the service. With good strength, put it down in the service.
So you yourself, you had help? Did you have
No,
help?
not with the first one. The first one was built by me alone. Cause I just build just like a kids in the backyard, building up silly stuff, you know.
Okay.
But now after year 2004 when Hurricane Ivan blew down, guy will work with me at the time, so we come together, and I always use guys to help reinforce it and put it back together.
Okay.
So you're like a fisherman.
Yeah, I'm a fisherman.
So
From
like-
that time forth until even now.
Even now.
Yeah.
So you fish out in this water,
No,
right?
we just usually like fish them with yourself just like for attraction, and we have fish we go like 4 or 5 miles off further off for some fish there.
Yeah. So you just used to hang out right here, so now your hangout spot become a big major attraction. I mean, come on, it's a big thing. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, man.
Blessed
It's
be.
good that this thing is Jamaican owned.
Yeah, man.
You know,
That's
root
man.
somebody like yourself, you know?
Yes, sir.
So, and the good thing is that this attraction is open to tourists as well, and tourists can feel safe coming here, which is great. You know, and the decoration is awesome, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Natural as it is.
Yes.
And natural as I look, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yeah, so right now, who you have working with you right now?
A lot of people, man. My kids, them are working with me, other people, me employ other people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. The crafts section on having this thing. Who control it?
Well, some other youth rent it still, a youth named Bam and one named Anje.
Or they rent the
Yeah, they rent the whole thing still and I go on. What in there is their own, only the occupation is mine. But what in it is their own.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have a franchise out there thing, eh?
Yeah man, I say things like I don't know. It's like a family thing as long as we are say love. It's a family thing. So
Yes.
anybody can access. Then I will be a billionaire if you have access to this place.
Right.
Heart of love we say.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir. Bless it.
Yes, it's so fascinating that we could go on Google, right? Pull up and I use your phone, right? Just we call and get an excursion from the mainland to come over.
Yes,
And you envision all of this from the start, from year 2000 when you started.
2001.
Year 2001. Great.
I know the best part about it. This was your leisure activity.
Exactly.
So you know what, you have the best trade-off of anyone because you actually enjoy it.
Yeah, of course I was enjoying. All even to this moment I still enjoy it.
Yeah, man, that's really nice. You just come out and I guess out here just at peace, not true? Because you just far from everybody else.
That's the beginning of wisdom, so you don't know. As long as someone is humble, where you can't to meditate, their wisdom beginning, you know?
Yeah.
So that's the greatest thing about it.
Yeah.
And please remember the number is 354-4218. When me answer phone, me not say hello, me say present. That means I am available.
Yes.
Yeah.
How was the opening hours?
From 10 until 6 in the evening.
10 to 6.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Flight Pelican Bar.
Yes, to be. Yeah.
Even for me personally, you know, this was always on the bucket list for me to visit, you know. So I finally got the opportunity to come over, and it's been a great experience so far. Yeah, man. So now making it great.
Yes.
And I want to tell you that probably more than 80% tourists are here.
Yeah, man.
You know?
And it become like an industrial, it creates jobs for people in the community and beyond.
That's the thing too.
Yeah.
And that's
Just
what is so good
everybody
about
get
it.
from you know?
Yeah.
So that again, and what?
I said everybody get an income from it. It's not just me,
Yes.
it's the community and beyond get an income from it.
Right,
and
right.
everybody work for themselves, everybody do them own thing as long as they're not doing it out of the order, you know?
Yeah, right.
And that's one of the beauty about it too. You know, everybody gets to mingle together and the people get to see the authentic Jamaicans and it's an authentic Jamaican experience.
That person. So you always go on and somebody brings somebody until you reach the destination.
That's true, man.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for the communication. I can safely say every time I call your phone, the answer. And I'm here. Smooth sailing. So you have really good customer service skills, Mr. Floyd.
That's important. That's what keeps business going. Principal and customer service on the phone.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Alright, well, thank you for even talking to us.
Yeah, blessing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much. Yep.